Hey there, how are you? My name is Jorge Daniel, and in this video I'm going to talk about Dataverse record statuses and how you can use them. By default, Dataverse records come with two columns for status: the status and the status reason column. Now, you can't customize status, which is active or inactive. And this is meant for you to inactivate records rather than deleting them. But what you can do is customize status reason. By default, status reason comes with active and inactive, but you can expand this, and I will show you how. As you can see here, you have options for active and inactive status, and you can create different choices for them. Now, it's much more common to expand active, but you can also expand inactive, and imagine you want to have different reasons for inactive status, like expired or maybe canceled. In this video though, I will expand the active options. And since this is a scenario that relates with support cases, I will create the new, ongoing, and resolved status. So, new choice, and this one will be new, then ongoing, and finally resolved. Notice that you can delete the default active status, but you'll get a warning about this, and it's probably best that you leave this one alone. What you can also do is choose the default choice, and in this case we want new. So let's save this, and once it's saved, we are going to create a new case. Now in our app, let's click new. How to expand status reason. Choose an account, contact, priority, save and close. And the case gets created with the new status reason. So, really good stuff, right? I hope you like this one, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!